This morning I received my key from Thomas Devoe, KN4YB. Fantastic. It only took 6 days from Florida to Wales. I'm very excited because this range of keys are truly innovative. That's the extra weights. Here are the paddles. As I say, 6 days from Florida to Wales is amazing at the current time. And here's the beautiful key. It will be right-handed when I have the bits on. This is an SL191RA. So it's a single lever, right angled key. It's more or less top of the range, and this cost $190, $45 to send to Wales. Fantastic. I shall get it up and running. It's got the flat blade there for dots, more reliable dipped contact. Okay, I'll get it up and running.